Do you have 10 more? I have 10 more.
We won't make it! And William, as always, tries to point something out, and his idea was to untie the raft and row to the other side.
I'm glad it didn't work out.
The second one has a nail that's not right, but there are 10 more over there. For heaven's sake!
The second one has a nail that's not right, but there are 10 more over there. The third one has a nail that's not right, but there are 10 more over there. Come visit Barra de Lagoa with us today. Nice, very green. Water.
Sursuta Beach.
No parking available. There's street parking, but it's all full. People are parking in the yellow zones.
Private parking 20 rise?
20, 30. Damn, it's already really hot today. I think it's good to have a beach. Damn, what a crowded beach. That's hot. Yes, you need to have direct access. Let's go jet skiing.
Is it a motorcycle?
It's until he paddles. The person is dead.
Obviously.
Let's see. Ice cold. Ice cold. But good. Very clean water.
Very cold.
That's good. But crowded, crowded, crowded. Then I'll pass through the Barra de Lagoa Canal. It had a beautiful landscape. Very clean water. Several boats and jet skis navigating the water. It made me want to stop. But let's move on to our next destination.
Our destination today was the Immerse Beach viewpoint. But we ended up finding a trail, and we decided to follow it to see where it would lead. And then we arrived at the beach. However, when we got to the viewpoint, we realized that access was paid, and there was a charge for parking. So we canceled our visit and went straight to the beach. But when we got to the beach, we also discovered that all access points were private, and they charged an average of 50 reais for parking.
We went down to Immerse Beach and all the parking lots down there. All the guys calling out, everything's paid. 50 reais to park a car. It's absurd. Yeah, or on the roadside where we found a spot here. I parked the car there, and now let's see if we can access it from up here, because we're not going to pay, since we're bringing everything for the beach. If we're going to stop and pay, love, come to my right here. If we're going to stop and pay for every beach, our money will only last 3 days. Let's see if we can access it here. It seems they've taken over the beach. They've put in parking and they're charging. And that's it.
The beach is closed off.
Is this gate closed? Uh-huh.
But the sides are open.
Let's try to sneak in from the top.
Let's roll. It's over. At most, they'll arrest us.
Tito, it looks like a private beach area. They put in a parking lot, so you pay for parking and you have access to the beach.
That's it. Continuing on our way here. It seems we're not going to the regular beach. Maybe we are. There are people down there. Just come. Yeah? There's a surfer girl over there. Look, there it is. 2 houses over there. We'll ask the people over there later. Yeah, the beach is closed off.